Hello everyone, this is David of Grow and Eat This. It's the Sunday before Memorial Day, and we need some beet greens or some kind of greens for the dog food, and I got a real hankering for some beets. Now back in February when the onions came, I decided to plant beets at the same time. Thought, you know, beets, onions, maybe they'll both be happy. I never seem to know when to plant beets, so I decided to plant some. And so here it is, the end of May. Planted the beets in February. There's the first beet. Wow. And there's the greens to go in the dog food. How about, I don't get beets very often. This is really something. And let's try for another one here. This looks like it may be a good one up here. Well, maybe not. No, had three of them in one spot. So the beet's really small, but the greens are great for the dogs. So, there's only about a dozen beets planted in here. Here's two. Boy. Those nice beets or what? And then again, plenty for the dogs. So, let's see. Let's go for one more here. I think I just picked this one with my hand. Well, it's a whole bunch of beets all at once. Looks like I might have had some golden beet seeds in there too. There's a golden one. So we'll leave the other ones for another day. So here's the beets. Let me get that big one around there. That big one there. Boy, for two people, it's going to be a feast. We've got a mixture with horseradish. It's really, really good that you put a horseradish sauce on top of them. Or you can just slice them, olive oil, salt and pepper, and do them out on the grill, which is probably what we'll do with these, because it's just quick, easy, and just outstanding. So this is David of Grow and Eat This, and if you haven't seen anybody pick beets in Georgia, son of a gun, you just did. I'm really proud of those. You know, I didn't plant that many, but wow, I actually got some. Thank you for watching. I did the same thing with carrots, but that's be for another day. Thank you for watching. Well, it's the evening time now, and we took those beets. They've been peeled with a knife, sliced up. These are the Egyptian Crosbys, something like that. These are Detroit dark reds. Detroits are always smaller. These are always big and kind of strange looking. Unbelievably delicious. Then we slice them up, and we just make a little pan out of aluminum foil so we don't waste any kind of a cooking container. And a little olive oil, a little salt and pepper, and we've got them on the grill. And I'm guessing the temperature is going to be about 425. And it's been a long time since I did them. I don't know how long they'll take to cook, so we'll check them in a few minutes. In about 10 minutes. These are really starting to cook good. And boy, can I start to smell them. Woo! They are smelling great. Go through and turn them. See how many of my fingers I can burn in the process. Will be softening up soon, cooking at these kind of temps. Probably turn them down some. So we'll check again in a couple of minutes. Well, I took one off a couple of minutes ago and let it cool down. A little crunchy, but oh, let me tell you, these are unbelievable. So they're ready to eat. And if I don't get them in the house, I'm going to start sampling and there won't be anything to go in the house. Oh, if you haven't grown beets, you need to try. The only part that's hard here in Georgia is figuring out when to plant them, between being too cold and then being too hot. But I started mine indoors in January, which never works very well. And when my onions came in February and it was time to plant them, I decided what the heck, what I had left for the little beet plants inside, I planted them too. Son of a gun would appear that was the right time to do it. So I'll be doing that again, and I'll probably, when I plant the garlic this fall, I'll apply beets then too and see if I can sneak in a fall harvest of beets, because they only take a couple months, and then be ready to get in the spring to do it. So here's the beets ready to go. Wanted to show you, yes, we really do cook these things. Oh, and they are going to be so good. This is David at Grow and Eat This. Thank you for watching.